Funny how a house can feel colder than the street. Everybody's here, but nobody sees me. I learned to stay quiet when the walls got loud. Smile for the world, never show 'em breaking down. Dinner at the table, but we never really talk. Everybody in the room, still I'm feeling all alone. I used to think that love was something you could earn. Be the perfect kid and maybe someone wouldn't turn. So I swallowed every feeling, put my heart beneath the floor. Now I don't know what I'm missing, I just know I wanted more. I wanted how you doing, now what did you do wrong? Wanted someone in my corner when the nights got long. Wanted arms around me when I couldn't face the day. But I learned to hug my pillow and pretend that I was okay. And I know they got their problems, but what about mine? I keep saying I'm alright, like I've said it 1,000 times. There's no love at home, so I learned to love alone. Built a heart out of the pieces that they left beside the door. Everybody says I'm strong, they don't know what made me cold. I don't hate the people in it, I just hate feeling alone. Yeah, maybe that's why I don't trust when somebody says they care. I start looking for the moment they decide they're gonna leave me there. Every I love you sounds temporary in my head. Every promise feels like something that'll disappear again. I became my own father, became my own friend. Told myself keep going when I wanted it to end. Not talking about dying, I'm talking about the person I became. Cause the kid I used to be got buried underneath the pain. I remember being younger, waiting by the window, hoping someone would come home and make the whole world feel less simple. But the door would open and the tension filled the air. So I stopped expecting comfort, stopped expecting anyone to care. Now I flinch when voices rise, I overthink every goodbye. I apologize for breathing, like my existence needs a reason why there's no love at home. So I learned to love alone. Built a heart out of the pieces that they left beside the door. Everybody says I'm strong, they don't know what made me cold. I don't hate the people in it, I just hate feeling alone. Maybe someday I'll understand why the people who should hold your hand can be the ones who teach you how to hide who you really are. Maybe someday I'll forgive them, maybe someday I'll forgive me. For every night I blame myself for things I couldn't possibly be. Now I'm older and I'm learning I don't have to stay broken. I can open up my heart even if it's barely open. I can give the kind of love that I was begging for. I can build a different home than the one I knew before. If I ever have a family, they'll never have to wonder if I'm proud of who they are when life gets heavy like the thunder. I'll listen when they're hurting, I'll stay when they're afraid. Cause nobody should be growing up believing love must be repaid. And maybe that's the ending. Not revenge, not blame, not hate. Just becoming what I needed when I was standing at that gate. There was no love at home, so I learned to love alone. But the pain that made me empty doesn't have to be my soul. I was searching for a family, now I'm building one in me. And the kid who felt forgotten finally knows he can be free. Yeah. Maybe home wasn't where I found love. Maybe home is what I build now. No more waiting by the door, no more asking to be chosen. I choose me.